How to get $80 Shutterfly promo code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. At the top, you're gonna see the search box. Over there, type in Shutterfly promo code and search for it. Different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website option, coupon follow. After you open it, you're gonna find amazing deals and offer. You can see that 41% off, 3% off, 50% off, and many more. Head towards any of the offer that you wanna grab. Just click on the offer. So here is the code, you can copy it, then click on redeem at Shutterfly. You will be directed to the official website. Now you can log into your account, make your purchase and proceed to checkout. While in the checkout page, you will find the section of code. Over there, paste your code and confirm your order. With that, you will get the discount on your purchase. Likewise, you can also try out other offers, as in this page, you're going to find tons of offers and deals. Lastly, make sure to check out these websites as well, because these websites will also provide a working coupon code for Shutterfly. This way, you can easily get $80 working promo code for Shutterfly. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.